we are?
We are in Galveston.
Galveston, baby! Finally made it to the ocean.
And look at these guys.
First time in my life. We're on the boardwalk. So we drove to Galveston today. Took us 7 hours to get here.
For a 4-hour trip.
It's freezing. Yesterday it was about 80 degrees. Right now, what would you say it is? 50?
It is like 60.
I had to buy a hat because, yeah. But this isn't my first time seeing the ocean. Like,
And she got so excited.
When
she
I-
got super excited.
when
Grabbed
I-
my hand, squeezed it.
when I first saw it, this isn't the Gulf of Mexico. I don't know exactly what it is, where we are.
A bay.
We're in Seabrook. Tomorrow we're going to Galveston. Matt wants me to show you these rocks.
Oh, careful. Water.
Here's Matthew thinking that he can get this squishy. I think he's not gonna get it. Which one are you going for? The strawberry? Ah! Do you get another try?
Yeah, I got 2 more.
Alright, let's see. Give me that strawberry, honey. Come on, strawberry. No way, no. They're probably greased. They're greased. It's a conspiracy.
No, let go of it.
It bounced out. I'm taking a video. I'm in jail.
What'd you do?
Smack that ace. Good morning, guys. First full day. Looking a little rough. It's pretty cold here. Don't know what's going on. Sitting outside in my PJs. Taking, let the dogs go out. It's cold. 8:35 in the morning. I haven't been up this early in a long time. But we're going into Galveston today. I'm excited about it. Even though I'm tired. I should show you this place we're staying at. It's cozy. Oh, hi, Jacob. How did you like your first day of vacation? I like that they're able to run around this backyard that we have. It's not fenced in, so I've got to keep an eye on them, though. What do you got to say about our vacation? You like it? Yeah? Got a little fire pit. Gonna try to make a fire later. Go play. Bella's over there. Can you see her? In the grass. Bella, come back. Here's when you walk in. You got a little living room area. It's the basics, you know? We didn't want to go all out and get the most fancy place. You walk through here, and there's like a desk and a big thing, and you got a bathroom. Basic, Jacob. And then you got the bedroom, which basic. But we have the whole place to ourselves, and it costs like less than $150 for 2 days, so. And we got to bring our dogs. So yeah. This is the kitchen. We got a little mini fridge, sink, and a microwave, and a mat. The dog bowls. That's our house. For the next day and a half, we have to check out at 12 o'clock tomorrow. We're gonna go to the beach. Let's go get away. Take the dogs to the beach. What do you have to say so far about our Galveston trip?
It's alright.
He doesn't like the house very much. He's like, next time, Megan, let's spurge a little bit more.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high?
Vlogging, but look where we are. We're at the beach, baby. We're at the beach, baby. Put my tootsies in the ocean for the very first time. It's cold. Not too bad. Not what I was thinking. I'm in the ocean. Here I am. My pants wet in the ocean. We're at the beach. Oh my gosh.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me will take our hearts and run free into the wild. Into the
How do you like the ocean?
Wonderful.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
You look so handsome.
Hands again, one
Woo,
time.
woo. My pants are soaked. And it's gonna get cold later. It's not very comfortable on my toes. Like I thought the sand would be softer. Good morning. Oh, ouch.
I got Bella's arm. She was hitting me.
That's fine. Get him. Come here, Bella. Bella. Hi. No! Get her.